Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Congress activists Sunday hurled eggs at Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra's vehicle and waved black flags to him near Bhubaneswar airport over his son's alleged involvement in Uttar Pradesh Lakhimpur Kheri violence. Police have detained some Congress workers in this connection. Biju Janata Dal Sunday staged a protest near Raj Bhavan in Bhubaneswar over increasing prices of fuel and other essential commodities. BJD activists rode cycles, rickshaws and rallied on foot as a mark of protest against the spiraling rise in the prices of fuel. The women workers were seen burning chulhas to protest against the hike in the price of the LPG cylinders. Odisha School and Mass Education Minister Sameer Ranjan Das Sunday hinted that offline teaching for class 1 to 7 students will resume in the state after Diwali. A decision in this context will soon be taken by the Chief Minister. Panchayati Raj Minister Pratap Jena, who fell ill during a tour of Kandhamal district, was airlifted to Bhubaneswar and hospitalized. Jena complained of running temperature, breathing difficulties and low blood pressure, following which his visit to the district was cancelled. Odisha's Poonam Gupta Mishra has been appointed as a member of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Economic Advisory Council. Poonam, who is the wife of eminent economist Deepak Mishra, has been inducted into the reconstituted 7-member EAC as a part-time member. Kannada actor Puneeth Rajkumar was laid to rest today after final rites were conducted at Kanti Rava studio in the presence of his family members, friends and ruling and opposition leaders of all political parties in Bengaluru. India will meet New Zealand in a crucial match of T20 World Cup in a few hours from now. This game is a must-win for India to keep semi-finals hope alive. The team, however, has never been able to defeat New Zealand in an ICC Conductor Championship in the last 18 years. The US and European Union have reached an agreement to settle their diplomatic rift over Trump-era steel and aluminium tariffs, which were imposed on EU steel and aluminium in 2018 on claims that the foreign products produced by American allies were a threat to US national security. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.